So in this video, I will be taking you step by step on how to create a UK TikTok account. So guys, without taking much of our time, let's get right into the tutorial right now. So the first thing you need to do is to create a new Gmail account. I think we all know how to do that. So the next thing you need to do is go to your Apple or Play Store, download a VPN, then sign up on the app, then set your location to United Kingdom as you can see in the video. So this is me showing you in the video that it is connected and it's showing at the top of my video. The next thing for you is to go to your Chrome browser. If you see that my arrow there is indicating that that email account you just created must be the one you log in inside your Chrome browser. So after that, head into your search, then type tiktok.com. Then it will load and bring you here. So lest I forget, the email address you are going to use, make sure you have not used it anywhere. Create a new one. So now it will load. Can you see that the first video that pops up is a foreign video? That is because our VPN is on. So click on the profile, just follow the arrow, click on that profile, then click on sign up. Then it will bring you here. Remember, we are using email. Click on the first one, the first option, use phone or email. So after clicking on it, it will bring you to set up your date of birth. And mind you, the date of birth you used when creating your new email, that new email that you are using, is the same date of birth you'll be using here. And for the sake of this tutorial and the email that I created, this is the date of birth that I used on it, and I will be giving the account out to anyone that is interested in UK TikTok accounts. After setting your date of birth, it will bring you here to sign up. So that email account that you created, input it here, then a code will be sent to you. A code will be sent to, a verification code will be sent to you. And after that, you'll be taken to where you have to create your password for the account. Use a password that you can remember. Use a password that you can remember so you don't forget. You can write it somewhere because you still need it outside this website. So I created a password for this account. So if you are interested in this account, to anyone I will be giving the account to, I'll give you the password and the email. The verification code will be sent to your email. You just have to take your time to impute it because some of these things, before they load, it takes time. Just take your time and be calm with everything you are doing so as not to make any mistake. So this is the code is sent. I impute it then. So after imputing the code is sent to you, you just allow it to load. Then it will take you to where you have to create a username for yourself. So I wanted to impute a username for this, but since I won't be using the account personally, so I just keep that. You can also skip it if you don't know the username you'll be using yet. So I got logged in and this is basically your UK TikTok account. So the next thing for you to do right now is to now go into your TikTok app. Yes, go into your TikTok app. Then you click on your profile. So under the profile, you see settings and privacy. Click on it. Then it will bring you right here. Scroll to the bottom part. Scroll down to the last part. Then you will see add account. Click on it. Then tap on use phone or email. Click on add another account. Click on the first option. You can see the arrow there. Then swipe to the right side because we are using email. We are not using phone number. So that email that you created that we have been using on Chrome, input it here. After doing this, a verification code will be sent to you immediately after you put in the email address. So this is the verification code is sent. Then I imputed the numbers, and immediately you are logged into your TikTok app. That is basically all for your UK TikTok account. So now, for you to be sure you just created a UK account, you see that 3 line at the right top. Click it. You click on TikTok Studio. Immediately you enter the TikTok Studio, click on monetization. Then you see up to 8 programs available for monetization. Immediately you see TikTok Reward Program, TikTok Shop, and the rest. That means you now have a UK TikTok account. And basically, that is all you need to do to create a TikTok account for yourself. And if you find this video helpful, kindly let me know in the comment section. Drop a like, a comment. Then I will see you in my next video.